My name is Benma. I've recently transferred to the University of Waterloo. I'm beginning my first term here in the winter. I think I've gotten the campus map down, starting to get used to life here. I've made friends in my program. It's a lot quieter on campus than it is in the city. Or at least, it was until I heard them.
So I heard some honking sounds the other day. What do you think it could be?
Oh, it could be the...
Nothing. That was nothing.
Sometimes, I feel like there's something out there.
Hey George, what was that thing you were talking about the other day?
They can smell your fear.
They're following me. I see them everywhere I go. I know they're real. I've been running from them.
Hey, dude, wake up! Wake. Would you pass out before I get to the bomber? Come on, let's go.